Goeiedag allemaal, Paf daar hierso. Weer terug van vooraf waar ons geëindig het. Jy altyd vast, kom ons kyk of ons dit deur maak hierdie keer. So,
There. When it falls, be ready. We will need to move quickly.
Okay.
ek weet dat van my moersie is sukkel hierso.
Jump, boy!
Yay,
Look out!
alles van vooraf.
Here they come. Stay behind me and protect
Jy
our
moes nie so
flank.
geraas gemaakt
Yes,
het nie.
sir!
Jy het nou fuck off gemaakt.
I'm not ready.
As jy dit regte tyd blok, sal niks seks gebeur nie. Fuck off. Jou stikken piets. Right. Kom iewers. Sek jy. Kna. Danke. God mode. Dat kan je allemaal.
Keep shooting, boy. I will clear our path. Shorten the time between your volleys.
What happened to accuracy over speed?
There are many targets. You will not miss.
Ja, iets zal niet mis mee. Oh, net aanschiet. Wham. Weg, staan weg. Schiet van ver af. Yes, sir. Yes. beter as die vorige kere. Nou, net 'n ophou kom nie. Ah.
Ready and wait.
Like so.
Tell me when. Sorry, not ready.
That's, you know, crocodile. No.
against superior numbers. Stay focused.
Ja, stay focused, jy wou. Fuck. Are they? Phew.
Boy,
That's not a story here. I know. Fuck. Let me serious.
are you injured?
I'm fine.
Nou, loop in die lug in.
It's beautiful. The light. It's making the whole temple reappear. It's the source of all of it. Wait. It's singing. I hear her! I told you I heard her! Do you think she's in there? Ah!
No.
Ah! It really hurt. I felt like my hand was on fire.
Stay here.
But I want to
Stay
go.
here. Only use it as a last resort.
You're giving me your axe?
I'm letting you hold my axe. It's not a gift.
Still.
I like quiet here.
What is this?
Ek is in die afterlife, my maat.
Faye?
You have to come back. You left me here alone.
Atreus?
Alone with him.
You sien. Wat as jy nou sy ex terugroep, gaan hy just time traveling doen?
He always leaves. He's never here. He doesn't want me and he never will.
Dit is geen saamsleep.
I don't know him and he doesn't know me. Doesn't seem to want to. I'm strong. I'm smart. I'm not what he thinks I am. I know better.
What the fuck?
He doesn't talk to me. Doesn't teach me. It should have been him. Do you hear me? Him, not you. Except, I don't mean that. You know I love him. I just wish he was better. I know he can be. So if he tries, I'll try.
Just it.
But if he doesn't,
Lang terug hierin.
please come back. I know you're out there somewhere.
Oh, jy praat agter my rug van jou, hè? Van jou pa. Dan gaan die seker weer val.
Faye. Wait. Come back! No! No! What have you done? Why did you do that?
I saved you! You were trapped in there! I waited and I waited, but you wouldn't come out! So I pulled you out!
Boy! I was gone only...
Jassie, moet so baie lank.
moments.
No! You've been gone a long, long time! I didn't know what to do! You left me here! Again! Why don't you care?
That's impossible.
We should go before they come back.
Yes, jy het gat geskrob.
Hope you got what you needed.
Yes.
Look, there's our exit. But there's no light to make a bridge. We're trapped. And the witch's bowstring is useless.
Toch jy moet om in die lug doop.
Your bow. Hold it out.
Net 3 van hulle. Set.
On my mark, loose your arrow into the stone.
It worked.
We can now make our way back. Come.
That stairway's blocked.
Verskoon my. Hey. Kijk, wat het nou weer? Center.
This is blocked too.
Niet zo lang. Helemaal. Dat is vannacht. Korte healing stone. Right. Cool. Zal dit nou upgrade? Ik kom hier voorbij.
Where are you taking that?
Want ek wil.
Boy.
Daar verdwyn alles.
Oh, look. The blue door that's not a door.
And a sand bowl.
But how do you expect me to reach it?
Okay, ek dink ek moet daai kristal ding hier nou toe bring.
You gonna carry that everywhere?
I just might.
Jy raak lekker wind gehad, hè? Nou, dat is makkelijk.
You can reach the bowl now.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Greatest man or tallest tree begins as any more than me. Yeah, and see. Stupid rails.
That's it.
So, it's a door after all.
That's it. Kom, mislike goed.
Great. The one with the horns is back. What does he want now? I hate that guy.
He will be back.
Terug waar ons was. Mooi man.
We really gotta go back down here again?
Do you see any other way?
No.
Then,
Wat is so sleg onder nie?
There isn't a way back up from here.
I know.
Ons volg my map. Dit is so anders van daar waar hier teenoor op waar.
Great. Now I can barely see.
There's light. Make do.
Freaking ass. Kom jy hier so. Ek en jy kan die dans. Staan net stil. Ah. Yay. One to go. Okay.
It would help me if you would hold the light up so I could see where I'm shooting.
Use your ears. Adapt.
I am.
Shit, error.
How are we supposed to get across without a crystal?
We find the crystal.
Onderzoek. Jo.
Want to try using your eyes? There's a room just over there.
Boy.
Lekker wind gehad. Warren. Wat's it? Hier ben nog enige winst. Ah, shit. Ah, dat is maar goed.
Sure you can handle carrying that? Don't want you to be lagging behind when we get attacked.
Remain alert and quiet.
Yes, hij doet zo vaak. Okay.
Boy, shoot.
I know how it works.
Gaan.
Finally. We can use the same sandbowl that brought us down the first time. I want to get out of here.
Oké. Is volgende. Lampo is een kus. Toch nog. my kant toe. Boys, kom dan van hier af.
Okay. Tricky. Very tricky.
En dan sê ek ook. Ouch. Fuck. Okay. Yes. Kijk, dit is de laatste keer dat ik draai. Kan ook. Fuck off. That's fire. Come on. Nog een freaking stone. Healing in. Oké, en so dit was part 4 gewees. Ek hoop julle het geniet. Sal weer aan gaan met dit op part 5. Pak dan weg.